What's up guys, my name is Ignas, welcome back to the channel. A whole month passed, so today I would like to make a portfolio update for the month of December of 2022. We got quite a few dividends and increased exposure in two existing positions. We'll also check how much dividend income we got for the year and what expenses we'll be able to cover in 2023. I'm excited to share on the progress, but first we'll do a quick giveaway. So as usual, once a month I pick a commenter under any of the videos who'll be getting access to my materials free of charge. This month's winner is Krishna V, with whom we had a small discussion on how a DFL would compare with other delivery companies. So Krishna will be getting the membership perks. Now if you would like a chance in getting those too, all you need to do is leave comments under any of my videos. I'll randomly pick a commenter next month, and he'll again get access to Discord, where I share all the extra materials I'm using. So we are done with this part, and now let's switch to Revolut. So now we are in Revolut and we have the transaction history for the month of December. We'll be checking what dividends we received and what stocks we bought. The month started on December 2nd with a Revolut custody fee of 73 cents. Then on the same day a semiconductor name Intel, ticker symbol INTC, paid, and the dividend came in at $5.42. On December 5th I funded the account with cash, so $300 was added, and then straight away bought into two names. First was Healthcare Medtronic, ticker symbol MDT, added $200 in, and got 2.5 of a share at $79.14 per share. And then on the same day also added into Staples, Tyson Foods, ticker symbol TSN, another $200, and got just over 3 shares for $64.99 each. Now December 9th was a dividend from a healthcare name Amgen, ticker symbol AMGN, $1.02. Then on the same day Information Technology, Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, a dividend of 32 cents. December 13th Healthcare, Walgreens, ticker symbol WBA, with $1.89. Then also on the 13th we have Industrials, 3M, ticker symbol MMM, with $2.28. Though we closed the position in Sony, on December 14th we still received the last dividend for 19 cents. Then December 16th a consumer discretionary name McDonald's, ticker symbol MCD, with a dividend of $1.35. On the same day we got the dividends from Tyson Foods TSN, 90 cents. Then December 27th a financials name paid BlackRock, ticker symbol BLK, with a dividend of $2.01. And the last dividend for the year came in on the same day from a tech name FIS, $1.58. So there has been quite a few dividends. I've added all those up in my tracker on Google Sheets. We'll check on that later on. But first let's further check if the stocks we bought this month were worth picking up according to Revolut. So I've increased exposure in a name from the medical devices industry, and that is Medtronic, ticker symbol MDT. In 1 year the stock is now down for 23.55%, and I've bought into it 2 times. So now we have 5.7 of a share, with a position valued at $461.34, and we are down on it for 7.73%, or minus $38.66. Now Revolut suggests that it's quite a decent pick. Medtronic's Morningstar rating is 5 stars out of 5, and its fair value is set at $112, which is 28.22% undervalued right now. Now analysts are moderately bullish on it. Out of 29 analysts' ratings, 14% have set MDT at a strong buy, 1/3 of them at a buy, and 52% consider it as a hold. And then we do have one bearish analyst who have set the stock at a strong sell. But overall it seems that it is worth at least holding. And then we also have information on price targets from 24 analysts. The range is from $142 to $77 per share, and on average it comes in at $94.14. So this means that on average analysts expect that in 1 year the stock price should be going up by around 17.1%. Another stock that we've increased exposure in is Tyson Foods, ticker symbol TSN, bought it 2 times in 2022. And for the year the stock is now down for 29.28%. So we are now holding 5.3 of a share, with a position valued at $339.66, and we are down for 14.86%, which is a loss of $59.29. Now Morningstar is again bullish on it with 5 stars out of 5, and the fair value is set at $106, which is 39.28% undervalued right now. If we check analysts' ratings, 14% is saying that the stock is a strong buy, another 14% set it at a buy, vast majority 64% is a holder, and then we have one analyst who have set it at a sell. Still, the majority thinks that the stock is a hold at this point. And then we have information on price targets from 11 analysts. They range from $95 to $58 per share, and on average the target comes in at $75.18. This suggests that in 1 year, analysts expect that the stock should be going up by around 16.81%. So we have checked into the portfolio on Revolut, but now let's go into our tracker on Google Sheets for a further look into the dividend income. So we have received quite a few dividends for the month of December. I've added those up in the table, and the sum came in at $16.86. So far that is the largest month ever, almost $4 up from the previous highs. Now comparing it to last year's December of $6.26, we are up more than $10 here, higher for 169.3%. And now we do have the final sum for 2022, where the dividends came in at $83.56. So comparing it to last year's $33.71, we are up on it for more than 2x, higher for 147.9%. So far it does look promising. I expect nothing less than double that for next year, and we'll see if we can get over $200 there. So for the majority of 2022 I have continuously been adding money into the portfolio, and overall over 3 years contributed over $8,120. And then we have finished the year with $7,420.61. This suggests that we did have a negative year, losing almost $700, and that is minus 8.62%. Not a great year, but let's put it into perspective. So we have the S&P 500 index, which shows the performance of 500 large US stocks, and in 1 year it is now at minus 18.91%. So I'm not too happy with my 8% in the negative performance, but still that is a great result, comparing it to the market losing almost 20. Of course, looking back, I do know now that I got a bit lucky, since I only started adding new money in March, so I have missed 2 months of peaks of January and February. Now it could happen that next year the market bounces and lands way over my portfolio, but I still believe in what I own, and even if behind, I'm sure I'm likely to get similar to market results. Now let us also check on the expected dividend income. So currently the portfolio should be producing $187.48 in dividends every year, which comes in at $15.62 every month. We are now covering my monthly phone's bill 3 times, or the internet bill once a month. Next step is the money I spend on closes. That is now set at $25 per month, and we are there now for 62.5%. I've summed all my expenses, and for the month they now come in at $915, so we are still ways to go covering that, currently on it for 1.7%. We'll not go into detail with my portfolio tracker. If you are interested, you can access the document by following the second link at the top of the description. But what I do want to check right now is how diversified the portfolio is and which market sectors should be the focus going further. So I have set the percentage targets of how much of the portfolio I want to allocate into each sector, and on the left we have the actual current weightings. So in December we have added into consumer staples. It is now at $552.85. Market value for the sector is now at $552.85. That is 6.92% of the portfolio, so quite close to the target of 6%. And then we added into healthcare, where we now have $1,272. That is 15.92% of exposure, with a target of 16%. So there are 2 sectors that we don't have much in. One is energy with 0 exposure right now, and then there is utilities with $100 in, at 1.25% with a target of 3%. So there are still some places to go, but in my opinion the portfolio is currently quite diversified as it is. Let's see how the positions are going to perform this year, and maybe there will be more sectors to put new money in. So that was it with December's portfolio update. How was your month? How much in dividends have you received? Share your results in a comment below. Also, don't forget to support the channel and leave a thumbs up under the video. I have been comparing dividend paying stocks from various market sectors, so if you are interested in any of these, then click on a video that is currently on the screen. And that was it from my side. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing y'all in the next one.